So here we are on the test website, and as you can see, I have already installed and set up the Solid Security plugin. So you can see security right here and security right here. Now we are using the free version of the Solid Security plugin. It comes with a lot of features. I personally use it on a lot of websites. This is probably one of the first plugins that we install, and if you want to check this plugin out, read more about it, then I've left a link to it in the description box below. Now to basically disable the XML-RPC, what you will have to do is you will have to click this security tab in the WordPress admin sidebar. You can see this security option that I am hovering my cursor on. So when you will click this, it will show you this sort of a dashboard and a bunch of options below it, under it, right? So you will have to click settings right here. This is the settings option under security. So click this settings option and it will show you a bunch of options again. So these are the global settings that it will take you to, and then these are again a bunch of settings that it will show you. Now here you are required to click this advanced tab. So when you will click this advanced tab, it will show you a bunch of Solid Security settings again. Now here you are required to click this WordPress tweaks drop down, or WordPress tweaks settings. So when I will click this, it will show me again, or it will show you again a bunch of options. Okay, so here you can see the API access, and here is the drop down for the XML-RPC. So when I will click this drop down right here, you can see the disable XML-RPC option is right here. It comes with an option to disable pingbacks, but what we are going to select here is disable XML-RPC. So once I will select this, then what I am required to do is I am going to scroll down and click this save option. So this will basically disable or block the XML-RPC in your WordPress website. Now again, remember, the REST API access is default access, and allow multiple authentication attempts by XML-RPC request has been deselected. So remember, you just have to select disable XML-RPC from this drop down that is under the API access in the WordPress tweak settings under the advanced tab. Okay, so once you do that, just click save, and that's it. You have successfully disabled the XML-RPC in your WordPress website. Now there is a code snippet available that you can use to disable XML-RPC. I'm not going to discuss that code snippet because a lot of times users feel very confused on using that. This is a simple plugin using which you can do that. It is free of cost. You do not have to pay anything. You just have to connect your account just like any other free plugin. You just have to connect your account and this plugin will be good to go for you. It is a very solid plugin. If you need a security plugin, then Solid Security plugin is for you. Use the free version, and then if you want, then you can go for the pro version. Link to it is in the description box below. Now in case you have any queries regarding this tutorial, then feel free to comment down below and I will definitely help you. So this is basically your quick tutorial on how you can basically easily disable the XML-RPC in your WordPress website or your blog.